Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. As you can see, we're going to use our stability balls today to do some of our upper body moves with. So we're going to just go through and do the basic major muscle group exercises, but we're going to do it on top of the stability ball, which is going to force our core to have to work a little bit harder today in order to do these exercises. So before you begin, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. And we're going to go through and do the chest press into the skull crush first. So when you get yourselves in position to do this, remember, you roll forward. And what I want you to do is I want you to kind of give yourself a little check. And I want you to notice how your hips are positioned. Because if they're sagging like you see here with mine, I want you to force them up so that you have almost a perfect line running from your chest all the way down to your knees. So you got to almost squeeze your glutes together and lift your hips up, and that's going to really engage our butt muscles, our core, and cause a little more difficulty through this exercise on the stability ball, which is why these are nice. So we're going to do that. So get your weights ready that you can skull crush with, because we're going to go right from the chest press to the skull crush, and then we're going to sit up just like this from that position. We're going to do bicep curls, and then we're going to do some shoulder presses and then do some leg work. So that's the process that we're going to go through. So get yourself ready. Remember to be safe, have a little bit of an open area so that if you would happen to slip off your ball, you're not going to hurt yourself. All right, here we go. Let's get your weights ready that you're going to do all this with, and let's go ahead and roll forward on the ball and get those hips up. Now, if you need to and your neck bothers you, you can simply lay your head back and rest your head on the ball. In fact, that's what I'm going to do here when we get started. So let's get our hips up and let's go 15 presses straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure your hips stay high. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Turn your palms so they face each other. Drop to your ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your hips up if they're sagging. 11, 12, 13, 14, there's 15. Now here comes the tricky part. Now be careful. Just roll back on your ball until you're seated in an upright position. Now I'm going to turn and face you so you can see me, but you can stay facing the same way you are. Let's get your arms down along your sides and do 15 curls. 1, 2. Keep the dumbbells wide at the bottom. 3, so you don't bang the ball. 4, 5. So it's causing you to work a little different angle here too. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, arms up in a 90-90. I want you to press it straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4. The key, keep your chest out. 5, don't slouch. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, put those down and go ahead and get your ball out of the way if it's in your workout area there. And what we're going to do next is a lunge with a lateral raise. So we're going to use a much lighter set of dumbbells, and I'm going to have you extend your right foot out in front, left foot back. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep the weights held along your side, and when you go down, I want you to lateral raise up. And when you come up, they're coming back down to your sides. So it's down and out, and then back up. We're going to do 15 of those on the right side, and then 15 on the left. So you really want to make sure that you use a little bit lighter set of weights. Don't be afraid to go a little bit lighter than you think you should, because it's in essence 30 lateral raises. So I actually have my 5s. So if you have 2s or 3s, you'll want to grab those for you ladies, and guys, probably 5s or 8s would be good as well. So let's go ahead. Right foot out in front. Drop your left uncomfortably far behind, and head and chest tall. Let's drop it and lat raise out. 1. Remember, no higher than parallel with your arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, that should have got your heart rates up a little bit there. Let's switch sides. Make sure your right foot is uncomfortably far behind. Head and chest are tall. And let's go down with a lat raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, come on, you're doing good. 12, you got to stay strong. 13, 14, there's 15. All right, let's put them down. Get your ball back out. We're going to go through round 2. So we're done with one cycle. Keep working hard. If you feel like you need to make any adjustments with your weights, you go ahead and do so as you feel you need. But I want you to challenge yourself. All right, deep breath in through your nose. Out through your mouth. One more time, in through your nose. Out through your mouth. All right, weights in hand. Go ahead and roll forward on your ball. Rest your head back there if you need to again. Remember to get your hips up. 15 straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, there's 15. All right, turn your palms, drop to your ears. 1, fight to keep your hips up, squeeze those glutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, there's 15. Okay, go ahead and roll up on your ball. Arms held wide along your sides, palms facing me. Make sure your head and chest are nice and tall. Stick your chest out literally. Here we go, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Arms up in a 90-90. Straight up press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One more good one up above. Good job. Okay, put those back down. Get your ball out of your road. Pick up those light dumbbells again. Make any adjustments with this lateral raise if you feel like you need to. If you don't have weights that are adequate, meaning you have too heavy weights and you're using bad form, then put them down and just use your arm weight for these. Or if you have maybe some cans of soup or something like that that you can run and grab and use, those are just as good as well. All right, let's get this right side over with again. So make sure your left foot is nice and deep, head and chest tall. We're going to go down, lateral raise up. Let's go 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get that knee down as far as you can. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, left foot out in front, right foot back. Let's go deep. Lat raise up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep working. 6, your shoulder should be really burning right now. 7, 8, if they're not, then you probably don't have heavy enough weights. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last good one. All right, round 2's done with, guys. Let's go right into our final round of everything. Bring your ball back out. Get those weights you feel comfortable with doing. Take a couple deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. One more time, in through your nose, and out through your mouth. All right, I want you to really work hard on this. Give me a great effort. Let's finish up strong now. Roll forward, head on the ball. And let's go straight up with 15 chest presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift those hips, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Turn those palms, get them down to your ears. 1, 2, lift your hips. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, there's 15. Roll forward. Get those arms wide, palms facing me. And let's do 15 curls. 1, 2, make sure your chest is out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's work hard. Last chest set above your head now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Way to get through that, guys. Go ahead and get rid of that ball again. We have one more set of right and left lunges left. Really get nice and wide. Make sure that that knee is over top of your ankle when you go down. That's the key. Here we go. Straight out to the side, no higher than parallel with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, there's 15. Let's go right into the left side. Keep them shoulders on fire, dropping up strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Last one today. Great job. I hope you guys enjoyed that workout with the ball. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.